take you on a beautiful journey of this lovely girl who's standing next to me, Portia, from being a journalist in Delhi to now being somebody who teaches and is running a school absolutely free of cost in Spiti Valley. So I want to understand, Portia, from being a journalist in Delhi to now teaching in Spiti. How did you get here?
I was in the cat rat race and being a successful media professional. From there to here, it's quite a journey and difficult to be summed up in a few words. Yes, after 10 years of working, I think I am in a position to help others and give back to the society.
So, over time, she has had a lot of village children who've come to her every day to study, but she wants them to come and stay because they come from so far away, it gets difficult for them to travel every day. So, she actually has a temporary hostel here. I think the homestay person was quite nice to accommodate them.
Yes.
But she's now coming up with a permanent stay for them at the world's highest motorable village, which is called Comic.
At 15,500 feet. It'll start to freeze around 20th or 25th of September. So it's going to be very tough for us. But what we have to understand, a lot of people ask me why move to Comic, it's going to be more difficult and all that.
True.
But these babies are ice babies. They're already used to this. A lot of people also tell me you're lucky, you're doing this and God is with you because you're getting so much of help. But it's not about me. It's their journey. It was their destiny, which is happening only via me. A very honest and brave group called the Thug Group. 120 members of that group. They drove to Spiti. They came here. They donated us 3.30 lakh rupees.
Which actually made your comic
Place actually doable. Otherwise, we couldn't have.
इनके अच्छे भविष्य के लिए आप इनको इधर इतनी दूर लेकर आ रहे हैं। तो आप कितने बस बदल के आने पड़ते हैं आपको? कितना घंटा लगता है यहाँ आने के लिए?
2 घंटे लगते। पहले गर्मी में थोड़ा गर्मी में तो ये अब तो ठंड शुरू हो रही है ना, सफर करना भी मुश्किल हो जाएगा।
आपके बेटे में आपने क्या बदलाव देखा जब से वो यहाँ आ रहा है?
इसी साल की इसमें स्कूल में डाला है ना,
हाँ।
इसने बहुत कुछ सीख लिया। अब तो ये हिंदी पूरा समझ लेते हैं, फिर समझते कि पूरा बोल लेते हैं।
Mother wants her child to have the best of education, and for that she's willing to do whatever adjustments that need to be done to make sure that her child gets the best education that she can give.
She's actually found a place in Comic which she's renovating completely, and that will now become a hostel come home for all the children across Spiti Valley, where they can come, they can stay, and they can get a fantastic education.
To request you to help us in any possible way. You can help us raise funds, or you can help us with stationery, with blankets, with warm clothes, toys, shoes. You can spare a little bit. You can go big way to help us build this.
Now it's up to us how we can help her to make this possible.